Jab, cross, elbow. Jab, cross, elbow ulit. Straight mo yung kamay mo. Jab, cross. Tapos elbow. Rear elbow, yung right elbow. Oh, yung straight mo, diretso mo. Huwag mong bitinin yung kamay mo. I-push mo pa rin siya. Tapos elbow. Yan. Mismo. Switch ka. Mag-iba ka ng angle. Jab, cross, elbow. Oh, idiretso mo yung cross. Yan, i-push mo yung cross. Commit. Oh, hindi naka-commit. Commit mo yung cross. Oh, hindi. Tapusin mo yung cross. Jab. Tapos elbow. Yan, ganun. Okay. Oh, hindi mo naman tinuloy yung cross. Huwag mo tipidin yung cross. Power, tapos elbow. Yan. Mismo. Sige. Nasaan yung uppercut hook mo? Uppercut hook. Tas elbow. Hook, tas elbow. Hook. Tas elbow. Hook, tas downward elbow. Yan. Uppercut, tapos elbow. Same side. Uppercut, right hand, tapos elbow, right hand din. Right hand, uppercut. Tapos elbow din. Yan, sige. Be more fluid na. Kaya mo na yan. Straight your arm when you punch your jab. Push it forward. Keep your hands up. Protect your face when you throw your... Nice. Double elbow tapos spinning elbow. Nice. Oh, tas balik 1-2 elbow. Hands ulit. Oh, short na naman. Straight mo, straight jab, straight cross. And time.